Dear students, in this session we are going to see some previous year JEE questions. Let y equal to f of x be a function of x. Satisfying y in root of 1 minus x squared equal to k minus x in root of 1 minus y squared. Where k is a constant and y of 1 by 2 equal to minus 1 by 4, then dy by dx at x equal to 1 by 2 is option A minus root 5 by 4, option B minus root 5 by 2, two by root 5, root 5 by 2. X equal to y of 1 by 2 equal to minus 1 by 4 means when x equal to 1 by 2, y equal to minus 1 by 4, which implies xy equal to minus 1 by 8. Y into root of 1 minus x squared equal to k minus x and root of 1 minus y squared. Differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx into 1 minus x squared. Y into, if we differentiate this, differential of root x equal to 1 by twice root of 1 minus x squared further into minus 2x, differential constant equal to 0, minus 1 into 1 minus y squared plus x into 1 by twice root of 1 minus y squared into minus 2y into dy by dx. So differentiation of root of any term is 1 by twice the term. Further, the inside the square root should be differentiated. For this 0, for this minus 2y into dy by dx. So dy by dx root of 1 minus x squared minus xy by root of 1 minus x squared equal to minus root of 1 minus y squared, this will be cancelled, plus xy by root of 1 minus y squared into dy by dx. So dy by dx into root of 1 minus x squared minus xy by root of 1 minus y square dy by dx equal to, bring this term xy by root of 1 minus x minus root of 1 minus y square. So dy by dx into root of 1 minus x square minus xy by root of 1 minus y square equal to xy by root of minus root of 1 minus y square. So at x equal to 1 by 2, so dy by dx into 1 minus 1 by 4 for x so inverse minus 1 by 8 divided by 1 by 16 minus 1 by 8 1 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 minus 1 by 16. So dy by dx root 3 by 2 plus 1 by 8 1 by 15 by 16, that is root 5 by 4 minus 1 by 8 into 1 by root 3 by 2 minus root 5 by 4. Root 15 by 4, root 16 minus 1, 15 by 4. This will be cancelled. So dy by dx root 3 by 2 plus 1 by your root 15 to root 15 equal to, this will be cancelled, minus 1 by 4 root 3 minus root 15 by 4. dy by dx, if you take twice root 15 as LCM, root 15 into the root 45 plus 1. If you take 4 root 3 as LCM, minus 1, root 3 into root 15, root 45. So dy by dx equal to minus of 1 plus root 45 divided by 4 root 3 into 2 into root 15 divided by 1 plus root 45. This term will be cancelled, minus twice root 15 by 4 into root 3. Minus 1 by 2 into root 3 into root 5 by root 3. This will be cancelled. Minus root 5 by 2. So option 2 is correct. Next, if x equal to sin theta, 2 sin theta minus sin 2 theta, and y equal to two cos theta minus cos 2 theta, theta belongs to 0, 2 pi. Then d square by dx squared at theta equal to pi is three by 4 minus 3 by 8 3 by 2 minus 3 by 4. So these are the given options. First find dx by d theta. 2 cos theta. For this 2 cos 2 theta. Differential sin theta is cos theta. Differential sin 2 theta is 2 cos 2 theta. You find dy by d theta. Minus 2 sin theta minus of minus 2 sin 2 theta, that is 2 sin 2 theta minus 2 sin theta. Taking 2 in common, cos theta minus cos 2 theta. Here 2 into sin 2 theta minus sin theta. So dx by d theta equal to twice cos theta minus cos 2 theta dy by d theta equal to twice sin 2 theta minus sin theta. So dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta twice sin 2 theta minus sin theta divided by twice cos theta minus cos 2 theta. Sin c minus sin d 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2 sin c cos c minus cos d minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. This will be cancelled. Cos 3 theta by 2 here into sin theta by 2 divided by minus sin 3 theta by 2 sin of minus theta by 2. So here we have applied sin c minus sin d, here I applied cos c minus cos d. Cos 3 theta by 2 sin theta by 2 minus sin 3 theta by 2 into minus sin theta by 2. Since sin of minus theta equal to minus sin theta. Minus plus, so cot, so dy by d theta equal to cot 3 theta by 2. We need d squared y by here d by dx, d square y by dx squared equal to minus cosecant squared 3 theta by 2 into 3 by 2 into d theta by dx. For cot x minus cosecant squared x, for 3 theta by 2 3 by 2, for theta d theta by dx. So d squared y by dx squared equal to minus 3 by 2 cosecant squared 3 theta by 2 into 1 by d theta by dx and 1 by dx by d theta. So minus 3 beta into cosecant squared 3 theta by 2 into 1 by 2 into cos theta minus cos 2 theta. At theta equal to pi, d squared y by dx squared equal to minus 3 by 2 cosecant squared 3 pi by 2 into 1 by 2 into cos pi minus cos 2 pi. This is minus 1 the whole square. Cos pi minus 1 minus cos 2 pi plus 1. So minus 3 by 2 into 1 into minus 1 by 4 plus 3 by 8. In fact, you cannot find this 3 by 8 in the question. So, in fact, this is a bonus mark for this question awarded in JEE exam. There will be one option like minus 3 by 8, but exact answer is plus 3 by 8. Next one, if y squared plus cos squared x to the base c x belongs to minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2, then y dash of 0 equal to 0, 2 into y dash 0 plus modulus of y double dash of 0 equal to 1. Y double dash of 0 equal to 2. Modulus of y dash of 0 plus y double dash of 0 equal to 3. So, these are the given options. So, when x equal to 0, y squared plus cos log e cos 0 1 equal to y. Y squared plus 0 equal to y. Y squared minus y equal to 0. Y into y minus 1 equal to 0, which implies y equal to 0 or y equal to 1. So, when x equal to 0, y equal to 0 or y equal to 1. Differentiating with respect to x, 2y y dash 1 by cos squared x to 2 cos x into minus sin x, or you can find dy by y dash. Here also y dash. Two y dash minus 2 tan x equal to y dash. When x equals 0, 2 y of 0 y dash of 0 minus 2 tan 0 equal to y dash of 0. Y of 0 equal to this is 0, 2 y of 0 into y dash of 0 minus y dash of 0 equal to 0. Y dash of 0 into 2 y of 0 minus 1 equal to 0. From this, y dash of 0 equal to 0. Again, differentiating with respect to x, 2 y dash u dash v plus 2 into y double dash 2 into secant squared x into y double dash. When x equals 0, 2 y dash whole square of 0 y dash of 0 the whole square plus 2 y of 0 into y double dash of 0 minus 2 secant 0 y double dash of 0. So here 0, y dash of 0 equal to 0 plus 2 y of 0 y double dash of 0 minus secant 0 equal to 1 y double dash of 0. 2 y of 0 y double dash of 0 minus y double dash 0 equal to plus 1. So y double dash of 0 here we did one mistake. Here 2 secant squared 0. The previous step we should have 2 tan x, if 2 secant square x, here 2 0 equal to 2. If you take for y of 0 equal to 0, y double dash of 0 equal to, this is 0, bring this side, y double dash of equal to 0 minus 2. For y of 0 equal to 1, 2 y double dash of 0 minus y double dash of 0 equal to 2. So y double dash of 0 equal to plus 2. We get minus 2 and plus 2. Therefore, y double dash of 0 equal to modulus of y double dash of 0 equal to, comparing this and this, we can find 2. So among the options, this one is modulus of y double dash of 0 equal to 2 is correct. So option C is correct. Option, if you consider second option, second option will not satisfy. First option, y double dash of 0 equal to 0, which is wrong. Second option, y dash of 0 plus y double dash of 0 equal to 3. So it is 2, this is 0, so this is also wrong. So this is correct. Again, modulus of y dash of 0 modulus of y double dash of equal to 3. This is also wrong. So this option only satisfied.